UNH stock analysis and UNH stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is showing you my exact play with UnitedHealth Group stock. I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all. I'm not just telling you this just to say it, that's literally the truth and I've documented it all. But ultimately speaking, I'm so open-minded for longs, it's crazy. The most recent prediction that I've gotten was a plus 5R, and I do have the proof to back it up, right? Here it is. Sitting at 302 3 weeks back, and honestly, if I don't see any sort of like a shift or a confirmation here, I think it's not going to be just the demand zone that I'll be buying from. And guess what? That's okay. Doesn't mean that you should force to do anything like over the top. With UNH, you can see 32 results popping up in that disk. But yeah, without any confirmation, I'm not looking to take things further up. Very simple. Just waiting for confirmation. Now, if you want to learn how to freaking fish and make those 5-10k months absolutely risk-free, just click the first link in the description, get the Discord access to 100 people who already got them. Yeah, absolutely risk-free.